Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at 90% off skincare and other little items that hit 90 over at Walgreens. And I know a lot of you enjoy these sort of videos because it'll give you the visuals to go in the store and have a lot of success. Couple tidbits for you. It's usually Tuesdays or Saturdays that a bulk of items get marked down with those orange stickers. You can always ask a cashier, hey, what's new on clearance? It's a nice little question. They can answer. It's not like penny shopping at the Dollar General, so it's a totally fine question to ask. And see an item that you see in this video and you're like, is that on clearance at my store? Ask for a price check. Look for this stuff in that fancy lotion aisle or in the regular skincare aisle. And it's always your mileage may vary. Often Texas and Michigan were on the same clearance schedule. But if you are in like New England, it might be a week later. So just go to your store if you are out and about today. And some of this stuff, very nice. Very, very nice. So lots of this Dr. Bronner's line sold at 50% off. But when you would like ask for a check of the sticker, it was actually $2.19, which is crazy because these are the 32 ounces. So it's this one, which is tea tree. So it's that orange one. Any sort of Dr. Bronner's that you see in these larger packaging, ask for a price check. And this was one item living rent-free in the regular aisle. And it was called Magic Soap Rose for $2.19. It wasn't even tagged. It was just like lonely by itself. And sometimes the odd item might not get tagged if a cashier has to go back to the register to serve another customer if they were in the middle of something. Sometimes little items get not tagged, or if a customer grabs it and puts it in a different area of the store, you might get it at 90% off, and that is a lot of soap. And this Dr. Bronner stuff you can use for a whole host of everything from doing your dishes to washing your dog. It does everything, this magic soap. This is where it gets really interesting. This Olay Effects series for $29.99. It's down to $2.99, which is a very good price point. And it's this one with the cap, so just to give you eyes on it. Somebody beat me to the store and got it. However, we have a $2 digital that is attaching to this product, making it 99 cents. So you can always grab the UPC on the back of the box or scan the code of that orange sticker and you might be in surprise for something. We have this Olay Night Slugging Mask. Never heard of this before, but $2.69. I think maybe because they used the word slug in there. Maybe it just wasn't popular with customers. Who knows? I have never tried this. Have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comments down below. But for $2.69, I would give it a try. CeraVe. There was a $3 digital attaching to some of these products, but if your product is like $2.89, obviously that $3 coupon will not attach. You'd have to buy two of them to get a digital coupon to attach in store. These larger bottles of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, it's a body gel cream. It's actually quite pleasant, $1.39. You just can't beat these prices. And often when these prices are so low, lots of shoppers will just buy absolutely everything. But always look at the packaging like, is this something you're actually going to use before you clear a shelf? Just to be smart. This Jergens Instant Sun, $1.59. What a great price point. The JCPenney brand or the Walgreens brand generic of the Advanced Repairing Body Lotion. Of course, nobody wanted this, but for 65 cents, if you use a lot of lotion, I am guilty of that. Always using a ton of lotion every day. 65 cents is a really, really good one. Gold Bond, I just pulled these stills for you guys just to give you visuals of what you're looking for, especially if nothing's tagged. It's this 4-ounce bottle for 75 cents. Perfect to like for a trip or to put on in your purse or something like that. A larger Gold Bond bottle. This is retinol overnight. Looks really nice. $1.89. My mom always likes all this stuff. She does have mature skin, so sometimes if you can find a lot of this stuff, if you have an elderly parent or grandparent, definitely stock them up, especially for like $1.59. This is a favorite. It's the Lubriderm Daily Moisturizing Lotion. When I first got into shopping at Rite Aid every other week, there would be Lubriderm deals, so I really had a huge stockpile of this stuff for some time, and yeah. Seabreeze, again, that skincare aisle. 65 cents. And then there's lots of Burt's Bees as well. I'm not going to go through it because I did go through a lot of that on my Sunday video, but lots of lip balms and like those little lip gels and stuff, all 90% off. Probably cleared, but definitely worth looking around at your store. Another example of an item that was on clearance but wasn't even tagged for $1.39, this Tanologist. So lots of like getting you ready for the summertime, all that stuff they're clearing out really, really cheap if you haven't noticed between Jergens and this. So if you are interested in stocking up, or you always want your tan to look a certain way like in the dead of winter, this would be the time to get this stuff at a very rock bottom price. So think anything like skincare to clean your skin and like fake tanning. This Neutrogena oil-free acne stress control, and always open up IBOTTA, guys, too, in case some of this stuff might populate like a rebate or there might be a digital coupon. $1.39 if you've ever wanted to try these products. I often do whenever it's like really, really cheap. Walgreens generic, these blemish patches, so a lot like a Biore, and then some of the pimple patches also were $1. So you might have to like look around your store. What do they have? What don't they have? And don't be shy to look in that clearance section, ask a cashier for help, look at those different aisles. And then these are still very, very much at many stores, and I think it's because it's the Walgreens generic, but it's these 2 pound, oh no, it's a pound bag of the Epsom salt in lavender or eucalyptus. I don't know why there's still so much of that left. So as I stated in yesterday's video, it was a toilet paper video over at Walgreens, just the best deals. And I know a lot of you really appreciate that video. I was like, there's people are really stocking up on this. And yesterday, this is a photo I took yesterday. Like, look at all the holes in this specific section at Walgreens. And it is this way, I think, because this new generation, when something's about to hit the fan, this is the one thing that you clear out in stores, and it's already happening here. So if you want to get the hottest deals for paper products before this starts happening at your store, I'm guessing prices will increase by the fall. A lot of manufacturers are already hinting that it's going to be under 10%, and to save more money on paper, a lot of us are stockpiling right now because a lot of couponers are simply preppers. And with that, a lot of preppers like to stock up on food. In the dollar section, now it's the $1.25 section, we have the mac and cheese, rice, spaghetti sauce, really good long expiry dates, noodles as well. So check the expiry dates of that stuff. But if you wanted to stock up for your pantry, use some Walgreens cash or register rewards. If you believe everything is fine and you're happy paying whatever prices, cool. But I just think that a lot of us are all about stocking up. So that's why we're doing it right now, because it seems to be a lot of food insecurities I've noticed, and that's just my opinion. Take it however you want to. The kombucha, we have the single cans for 29 cents and the 4 packs for 79 cents. One beverage I could never really get behind when this came out like years ago. It's just it has a wrong taste for me. I'm not a fan of it. Okay, that's it for this video. Toilet paper video linked right here from yesterday. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.